Welcome to Biology at Priyojit, my dear viewers. Today we'll take a quick overview of biotechnology, the science that blends biology, technology and engineering to improve human life. We understand the aims of biotechnology, explore its broad scope and see how it is applied in medicine, agriculture, industry, environment and food technology. From healthcare innovations to sustainable solutions, let's discover how biotechnology shapes the modern world and drives future scientific advancements. Biotechnology is basically the application of living organisms, cells, enzymes, or biomolecules to develop useful products and processes for the benefit of humans. It is an interdisciplinary science combining biology and technology and engineering. Aims of biotechnology: improvement of human health, production of vaccines, antibiotics, hormones, and diagnostic tools, development of gene therapy and personalized medicine. Enhancement of agricultural productivity. It is involves the development of yielding, pest resistant and disease resistant crops, improvement of nutritional quality such as by means of biofortification. Industrial advancement that needs production of enzymes, biofuel, organic acids and bioplastics, development of eco-friendly and cost-effective industrial processes. Environmental protection, bioremediation of pollutants and toxic wastes, waste treatment and recycling using microorganisms. Sustainable development include reduction in the use of harmful chemicals, promotion of green and sustainable technologies. Scope of biotechnology, that is first of all is medical biotechnology. It involves recombinant DNA technology, stem cell research, gene editing, diagnostics and therapeutics. Agricultural biotechnology involves genetically modified or GM crops, tissue culture and micropropagation, marker assisted breeding. Industrial biotechnology, fermentation technology, enzyme technology, production of bio-based chemicals. Environmental biotechnology, which includes bioremediation, bioleaching and sewage treatment. Marine biotechnology is the use of marine organisms for drugs and industrial enzymes. Food biotechnology improves food processing and preservation, development of probiotics and functional foods. Applications of biotechnology. Medical biotechnology, recombinant therapeutics which include insulin or humulin, human growth hormone, interference and clotting factors. Vaccines, recombinant vaccines such as hepatitis B, DNA and mRNA vaccine. Gene therapy which include replacement of defective genes used in SCID, cystic fibrosis and cancer therapy. Diagnostics include RT-PCR, PCR, ELISA and DNA fingerprinting. Agricultural biotechnology, which involves the production of genetically modified crops such as BT cotton for insect resistance, golden rice, vitamin A enrichment, herbicide tolerant crops. Plant tissue culture, which involve rapid multiplication of elite plants and production of disease-free plants. Biofertilizer and biopesticides involve rhizobium, azotobacter and bacillus thuringiensis. This is an image showing different types of an application of agricultural biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology, enzyme production, amylases, proteases, lipases used in detergent, food, textile and leather industries. Fermentation products include production of alcohol and organic acids and antibiotics such as penicillin. Biofuels includes bioethanol, biogas, biodiesel. Environmental biotechnology, it involves bioremediation, that is removal of oil spills using bacteria, detoxification of heavy metals, waste management, that is sewage treatment plants and composting and biodigestion. Bioleaching, it is the extraction of metals using microorganisms used in copper and uranium mining. So this is the environmental biotechnology application: biomarker, biosensor, bioconversion, bioenergy, molecular ecology, and bioremediation. Food biotechnology, that involves the production of cheese, yogurt, bread, vinegar, etc. Use of probiotics for good health and food preservation techniques and flavor enrichment. Advantages of biotechnology: high specificity and efficiencies, environment friendly processes, improved quality of life, economical and sustainable solutions. Limitations and concern: ethical issues such as GMOs and cloning, biosafety concerns, high initial cost, and regulatory challenges. Conclusion: biotechnology is a powerful and rapidly advancing interdisciplinary science that plays a vital role in healthcare, agriculture, industry, and environmental conservation. With progress in genetic engineering and molecular biology, biotechnology offers immense potential for future innovations and sustainable development. That is various applications of biotechnology, the image showing applications of biotechnology. So biotechnology is basically a powerful interdisciplinary science that applies biological system to improve human life. uh, with wide-ranging aims and vast scope, it plays a vital role in healthcare, agriculture, industry, environmental protection, and sustainable development. Through its diverse applications, biotechnology continues to drive innovation, solve global challenges, and shape the future of modern science and society. Thank you.